1 cup of self-raising flour, half a cup of sugar, half a cup of milk, quarter of a cup of oil. I use extra virgin olive oil. You can use any oil you like, preferably not motor oil. 1 egg, two teaspoons of vanilla extract, then get an orange and squeeze the juice from half of one and put in a tablespoon of orange zest. Now mix this together. Now get some orange food gel. Just swirl it around. Just add as much as you want to get a nice orange vibrancy. Now get a plastic Ziploc bag, put some sugar in it. Get a little bit of the food gel, the orange one. Put it in there. Seal it and shake it up. There you go, orange. Put in as much or as little as you want. If you want it to be exactly the same color as the donut, just wait until the donut's done to match it. Now get your donut maker. If you don't have one of these, and they're really cheap, they might only be $15 or $20, I can't remember, this wasn't much. If not, you can put these in the oven for 12 minutes. If not, use this, it takes about 3 to 4. Just give it a spray with some oil and then put in. And now we wait, and then Bob's your uncle. Oh yeah, look at that. Now get the donut, dip it in that. Oh yum.